Mfethu, lesi story asikho personal, just ukuthi silalele bese ushare i-personal view yakho ukuthi okay wena mhlampe kule nto le wawungenza kanjani. Umjita usixoxela i-story time ukuthi waspenda 8,000 kwi-first date. Kambe mina ngokwami i-first turn off ngangeke ngikwazi ukuyivuma ileyo ukuthi bengene emotini yami beze bawu-5. Ngizule futhi elandisa ukuthi engazi ukuthi bafuna ama-extra Big Mac aka-McDonald. No bafethu la sisuke sisobonana sisuke sizomithana halfway kusuke ngekhona ukuthi mhlambe yabo kunento ezokwenziwa esitheni ngaleso sikhathi. So asisidingo sokuthi ngibe uMr Cool Guy noma isidingo singekho. Ngaphandle kokusho isikhathi sakho ngiyafisa ukuthi ngizuvula yakho malana nalolo daba ukuthi wena ngempela if bekwenzeka kuwena lokho ubuzokwenza kanjani or yiphi into obuzoyenza to react ukuthi lento ngempela awuyithandi. Mind you, story nje umthito uyayixoxela wena kwi-comment section ukuthi usho ukuthi wena uzowenza lokhu noma ungezukwazi yini. Asiye.
So let me tell you guys how I spent 8,000 rand on a first date. Actually not a first date, a first meetup. So there's this hand that I was speaking to. Talking stage in Yanayabo Matumante. I'm like to girl, hey, we've been meaning to meet but because of availability. Negele Bizabo. Do you want to come with me to a gig? I'm playing somewhere in Joburg and it's a very nice restaurant, so we can somehow make it like a young date, grab something to eat after I'm done. He's like, oh yeah, sure, I'd love that. Get no stress. How again, I'm putting on my best outfit. An hour towards the time I was supposed to fetch her, she's like, can I bring my 2 friends so that I don't get bored? Over? Okay, 2 friends. No stress. But I'm like, hi. Why 2 friends? We said this is our first meetup and we are just going to like somehow turn it into a young date. But okay, fine. Maybe she's not that comfortable yet. No problem. Our girl, I'm on my way to fetch her. I'm like, hey, I'm 5 minutes away. She's like, okay, we're getting out. I get there, number 1. That pissed me off. She's not outside. And I called her, girl, 10 minutes away, not 5. Sharp, no stress. I keep waiting. They take 25 minutes to get out. And put her out the biggest shock of my life. Was overly 5 in total. Okay, 5. And you know, it's our first meetup. I'm Mr. Nice. I don't want to be rude and ask questions. I'm like, hi guys, how are you? Oh, this is mama. This is mama. But okay, boom. She sits in the front. Now my car is overload. Okay, sharp. Mind you, we are driving from PTA to Joburg. So halfway through, I'm like, hey man, I can't today. I haven't ate properly. I get anemo, McDonald's. No problem. So I get into. They don't know where I'm going. So Baba no get a McDonald's. So when I get to the drive-thru, I'm like, do you guys want something to eat? They're like, yeah. I'm like, okay, sharp. So I start ordering first. I'm like, can I please have a Big Mac, regular meal with still what? Our sharp. Butsebo girl. I hope main. I hope master anymore. Potential meetup in I hope can we have 5 extra large McFeast meals, spicy? And I'm like, sorry? Aria, couple of the McFeast pizza 5, the regular meal. I mean the extra large meal. No, actually, only large. Aria, so not a whole. Because I wanted to understand that what the good ring, and she's like, yeah, okay, no, I order, and I'm like to myself, fuck, I'm about to spend 700, 800 on McDonald's for the first time in my life. I've never done that even with my family. Mara sharp, no problem. More like I order. It's time to pay. The bill is like 805. I'm like, okay, but I tap. I had already budget. After I'm done playing, me and the son are gonna be on a date. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's money from that. Fine. We drive to Joburg, we get there, and I find them a section. I go to the bathroom and I'm like 15 minutes towards my set. No problem. 15 minutes bathroom kapela. So I meet someone who keeps talking to me and then I think it took about 10 minutes. Hey, biggest shock of my life. Hey, ke re mo tafoleng ke kra 4 beverage camera I see the glass it's a 4. Right there guys so fit. and it's time for me to play. Even the DJ like sets up again. Right, okay, I'll send this girl a WhatsApp while I'm playing. No problem. So 10 minutes in my set, Gabona, Chumia high ola orderile ngo pap. Ubula champagne. Kira maybe banaba ka chigo ba ono ba tla te patella bi. Oh, no problem. Right there ya fitla tlamola, and I ask her, I'm like, please dash for me. Ubula Hennessy one desheta, batela champagne, batola pay. So I'm like ordering shots. Like, can I please have a tray of tequila? But at least a tequila mola chesa. Homuna, I'm playing, it's nice. They're taking videos of themselves, singing sharp. Hey, wena. Sa gutwellet. Hotlile sushi engwe ya tswa mello mola. Eskhale hotla pasta. Eskhale hotla sirloin steak. Eskhale hotla akitse ke prego half chicken or ke eng chicken engwe gima fela ke re mara bana ba fetso ja McDonald's the candy town ka re ba ira looting bano a sharp ke tswa ta ke ga mara ke chelta bo mputsisi. I'm done playing, and so when I was playing I was using my Habli, and then the guy wa Habli is like, so you're done, should I bring it to the table? Sharp, we moved to the table, sit. So maybe like 4 hours in, I'm like, hey guys, because it's a Sunday, we need to go. But okay, no stress. So the waiter comes to me, he's like, hi, the girls that you came with said I must give you the bill. Billy says, because I had just ordered a refill, so I thought maybe she's charging me for Habli. How much is the bill for Habli, for the refill? He's like, no, it's not for the refill, it's for beverage. Big Megala, it's castor oil, like it's for beverage. Yeah, abale meal is a 4. Abale 3 elaya tequila. Abale 2 still water. Now mind you, go Santain is still water says give me 110 or 120. Hey, Mo, I need to speak to this hand. But I'm like, I can't talk to her in a group. So I'm sitting there sending her WhatsApp. She's sitting across me, but we are chatting. Hey, hi. Who placed this order? The champagne and food. She's like, me. Oh, okay. The bill is here. They're bringing it to you. I don't know, why to me? What do you mean, why to me? Isn't it your order? She's like, yeah, but we came with you. So who did you get authority from or no order in the first place? And she's like, oh baby, I'm so sorry. We actually don't have anything on us. If anything, we can help with 200 tip. And I'm like, this is something. No tip I got to 200. But a bill ahead, 8,700 rands, excluding tip. Did I not want to die instantly? Ichumtel na talk me kwa batonga ga le kopela le ba shieng bathong. Ke na no da ga nteng ke re le thuna ga siriga or maybe ga molela.